to fix Ubisoft Connect launcher not working. Opening. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Ubisoft Connect not launching on your PC, quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ESC. Find all tasks related to Ubisoft Connect, right-click each one, and select End Task. Make sure no Ubisoft Connect processes are running. Step 2. Change compatibility settings now. Search for Ubisoft Connect in the Windows Start menu. Right-click on it and select Open File Location. Right-click the Ubisoft Connect application. Go to Properties, then open the Compatibility tab. Check the box Run this program in compatibility mode for, and select the appropriate Windows version. Try Windows 8 or 7 if you're on Windows 10 11ths. Click Apply, then OK. Step 3. Restart your PC, restart your computer, and try launching Ubisoft Connect again. And that's it. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. See you in the next one.